recipe, you'll need a candy mold. And I have this cute little candy mold that I got at Michael's. And it is an Easter egg. If you can't tell, it's Easter egg with all these little shapes on it. It's perfect for this recipe. We're just gonna need some of this chocolate here. I got, this is vegan chocolate, and it's basically allergen free as it says. So it's a perfect chocolate to use for the vegan candy. And then I have 24 almonds counted out because there's 24 shapes here on this mold, but depending on what mold you get will depend on how many almonds you'll need. These fit perfectly for this. They fit right into the little mold. All we need to do is melt this chocolate. So you can do this in the microwave. If you just put it in there for a couple of minutes, stir it, and then put it back in until it's all melted. I'm gonna go ahead and do it here on the stovetop, and I'm just gonna use this whole bag. This is already hot, so it's already starting to melt. And you want to use a lower setting and just keep moving it. My chocolate is melted now, so I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit of chocolate into each of these first, and then put the almonds in. Now I'm just going to put these in the freezer and let these get set up. I just took these out of the freezer and they were in there for 30 minutes. So you can see it's crunchy, and I think you can just pop them out. We're going to see. Yes. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. Oh, that's so cute. One thing I forgot to do is once you fill these, they recommend that you tap it down like this because there's air bubbles in my little forms. But this is the first time I made this, so I'm pretty happy with this. The only thing is, I think the next time, it's probably better to make sure that there's not so much excess on the back, because now I have these edges that I have to deal with. And it's just melting on my fingers, but man, they taste good. After giving me my chocolate covered almonds back, they pop out really, really easy. You just pop them up. Look at that. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. Ah! This is the first time I made these. Like I said, this is my first batch. Now there's a little air pocket. But these would be so cute. Now you probably have to keep these in the fridge until you're ready to use them. And just pop off the back there. Look at that one. Just pop off that back. And they just come out so easy. Just put your thumb underneath there and pop them out. And you have some vegan chocolate covered almonds. That look like little eggs.